Hey everyone, this 8-in-1 stainless steel multi-tool just came in and we're going to unbox it and take a look at all its features. This is the red color, contains a black Velcro nylon pouch with a belt loop. This is made out of stainless steel and it has some good weight to it with some nice spring. On the end part you have needle nose, a regular plier, and also a wire cutter. Has a carabiner on one end. Now this one contains a Phillips and regular screwdriver, a bottle opener, a knife, and it also has a saw. The dimensions when it's closed are about 4 inches by 1.5 inches. Has a nice look to it, a nice feel. It's nice and heavy. Made well. I like it. Hope this helps and I hope you have yourself a great day. Take care.